let's learn how you can add a picture to your Zoom call or meeting. So let us start by opening our Zoom application. Make sure you already started the meeting. Now when you get there, you will have to click on this green share button in the middle of screen. From screens, you will have to go to Documents and click on Google Drive or whatever where your image is, for example. I keep my images in Google Drive, so I will select that. Just click on Share when you use that. Make sure you are logged in Zoom on web and application also, so it can access Google Drive without problem. Now just find some picture and click on Select. And that's it. So it doesn't work on this type of document, but it will work on anything else. So if you have PNG, for example, it will work, but this one doesn't. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.